Grand Theft Auto 6 is gonna make millionaires. Now, I know you're probably like, how? How is that possible? Now, I'm not talking about kids playing video games. I'm talking about a real world wealth event that is around the corner, less than 200 days away. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I live in the crypto world. So I'm very accustomed to big news events making people money. But why am I talking about a video game? Well, first off, that's how I came up online. I've been making money online since I was 13 years old, and I started off in video games. But more than that, this is a generational opportunity that we have not seen in over a decade. But GTA 6 is not just a game right now, right? It's a financial event. It's the most anticipated launch in video game history. Not only that, it is one of the most expensive products that the world has ever seen. See this big building called the Burj Khalifa? Yeah, GTA 6 is more expensive than that. You see this, a B-2 stealth bomber? Yeah, GTA 6 is more expensive than that. You see Avengers or any of these like big budget movies? Yeah, GTA beats that by like 10x. So it's a really expensive product, and there's a reason for that. And if you don't understand that, well, let me break it down, because you're missing the bigger picture. Now, this is not financial advice. I mainly talk about crypto. Do what you want with your money. But I'm breaking down an event that, if does turn out, it's probably going to be good. And if not, it's probably going to be bad. But I made dozens of videos on this topic, and they've gotten tens of millions of views. And it all leaves people wondering, what is next? So let me give some backstory if you don't know what I'm talking about. Right now, there's a company called Rockstar. They're making GTA 6. And above Rockstar is the company behind it, which is Take-Two Interactive. They're public on the stock market. Their share price is around $190 right now. And they make the Grand Theft Auto series. Now, the last big one you probably heard of, it's called GTA 5. It came out when I was like 13 years old, and that was literally my childhood. And it's an open world game. It's the most popular game of all time, and it makes Take-Two a lot of fucking money. As a matter of fact, it's made them almost $10 billion since it came out, and it's been so profitable for them, they've not had to drop a game in over a fucking decade. I mean, the game came out in 2013. It did $1 billion in revenue in just 3 days, and think about how different the world is now compared to 2013. Like, it's a night and day difference. And I mean, still to this day, that game is one of the most profitable pieces of media ever created. Entertainment doesn't do that. Movies don't do that. There's literally nothing that can compare to what GTA 5 did. And that's going to be key here in a second. Now, imagine a decade later, we're in 2026, and that same game, only better, bigger, more bold, drops. What could the fucking numbers be on that absolute behemoth? Gaming today is bigger than movies, music, and everything else combined. And GTA is arguably the biggest name in gaming. When GTA 6 launches, it's not just going to be like a little gamer moment. It's a worldwide event. People are literally taking off work a year in advance just to be able to play this game on launch weekend. It really is like an IPO level cultural event. The reason why I'm making this video is because when something big like GTA 6 rolls around, there's a lot of money flowing around it as well. And where is that money going? Well, that's where I think Take-Two Interactive comes in. Again, their stock is sitting around $190, $200 area, and it traded over, let's see, $260 at the peak. And that was literally like 2 months ago. So look, I'm not telling you to buy this. I'm not a financial advisor. Do what you want with your money. But what I am saying is, when generational opportunities like this come around, the markets respond quickly. GTA 5 wasn't just a 1 week spike deal, right? Where a product launches, it does well for a week, and then it kind of dies out. No, it's been consistently performing for the last decade. When GTA 6 is bigger, it's better. And it costs $2 billion to make. Do you really think that this thing isn't going to print money, like absolute just billions of dollars? No. If they're going to spend $2 billion on this game, they're probably expecting at least like a, somewhat of a return. You think they're just going to burn this fucking money? No. I mean, just the trailers alone on this game get hundreds of millions of views. It's actually diabolical. And events like that do create millionaires. We've proven it time and time and time again. I mean, just look at this. This dump was because of a delay. Like, literally, this whole dump right here was mainly because GTA 6 got delayed from May till November of this year. I mean, that's a lot of money moving behind that thing, dude. Again, nothing's guaranteed. This is not financial advice. This shit could go to fucking zero. But if you've been paying attention to how markets respond to launches like this, you'll understand why I'm paying attention to this shit as well. I mean, if crypto's taught me one thing, attention is the money. That's it. Attention will bring money. And GTA 6 alone is about to capture more attention than anything else in entertainment history. Like, I don't think you guys understand how big this launch is going to be. So let me know where you think Take-Two is going to head. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? In my opinion, and in my opinion only, just looking at everything, ahead of GTA 6, the biggest launch ever, I'm extremely bullish. But again, I could be incredibly wrong, and I'd love to hear what you think. Yeah, let me know that, and then let me know also if you're excited for GTA 6. I mean, look, like I said, I'm a gamer myself. I actually have a whole gaming channel that I've been running in secret from you guys. If you find it, motherfuckers, you're a goat. It's actually probably really easy to find. But I've been making gaming videos for over a decade, and that's my second passion besides crypto. And this is like the perfect mix of both. So yeah, I love you guys. If you want to see all the plays I take in crypto, then be on the IG. I post them all there. I think the next few months are going to be incredibly interesting, and I cannot wait for GTA 6.